right, mate?
Yep.
You run me around.
Expect this first drop now.
Well,
Does happen sometimes. You seen your leader yet, or no?
Yep, now. Leader.
Right. It's a Jewy.
yeah,
Yeah, it's just a really good fight. Good one for up here on the light
That's-
deer and that.
yeah.
That's a top fish.
Yeah.
That's a top fish for up here.
Yeah.
Well,
For
4 pound
four
braid.
pound line.
I've actually got 8 pound leader on there, I think.
yeah,
Too.
yeah.
Awesome. Beauty. Good sound on that. Right, yeah, right on. Get it back in.
That's heavy.
Yes.
It's that big, I don't think. Like you said, starting to play up a little bit now, but
Yeah.
it did, didn't it?
Silvery bass. Oh, yes, bass. Nice.
That's a bit of fish, yeah. Yeah, it holding me right.
Yeah, great, aren't they, those hits? Yeah.
Wake up.
Carp.
Better one.
He's going alright, isn't he?
Yeah.
Bugging away.
Oh, beautiful bass.
Jesus.
Nice fish.
Yeah, there you go. Hit by the steam train.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Beauty. Good stuff.
Nice.
Smashed it before.
Gonna be a good fish.
Yeah, solid.
Didn't even mind it.
Yeah.
Fingers on it.
Nice.
That's why yeah, the cicada probably would have worked, eh?
Yeah. Nice one.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah.
Great condition, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. Go back in.
Great.
Off like a rocket.
Yep. Close up of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Good tailor. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice.
Nice.
Good tailor.
Makes you wonder where that came from.
Yeah.
It's only a baby. Yeah, let go of it.
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing fun. isn't it?
Cicada flying with hooks.
It is dangerous.
Decent fish.
Yeah. You're
Decent.
40
Around
something.
his fin.
Yeah. He's lassoed himself, eh?
Yeah.
He's
Great fun on that cicada. On the
a
top.
40 something.
Solid one. Yeah. Solid fish.
Pretty.
Beautiful. Good one. Good surface bite.
On the surface, that's a
Yeah.
great fish, isn't it?
Yes. Alright, get it back in.
It's ready to go.
Yeah.
No worries.
Good stuff.
Nice.
Gave up.
Played his game before, by the looks of it. So, yeah, so I'll just come up here and I'll let you go.
Nice.
Good. On the cicada.
Awesome.
Yeah, nice. Yep, got it.
Good
Stuff.
paddling over there, isn't it?
Yeah, just heard a cow. Must be.
Nice. Up in that tree, eh?
Yeah. Not real big though. But
Still hitting hard.
just a subtle take.
Yeah.
Just
I
slurp.
was wondering why my lure wasn't working. It was in the fish's mouth.
Probably right with that one.
A little lift, mate. So that's hanging up.
Yep.
Better fish?
Yeah, it's a better fish, yeah. Definitely better fish.
Good stuff. Oh yeah. Just hang in there, those bigger ones, don't they? Something like that.
Oh.
Solid fish. That's a good fish.
Nice, well done.
That's a 40,
Smashed it.
46 or something like that.
That's a
He
proper
is
bass.
48. He is 48.
Ah. Cracker, good fish. 48 centimetres
Right.
on the surface, Cicada. Smashed it. Nice.
Thank you.
Nice.
Easy. Nice. Oh, PB.
That is good.
Awesome.